Okay, this was my first desk, typical office like most people, 4 walls, we have a bookshelf, computer, drawers, a computer screen, lots of up and down, a chair. Every time I got interrupted, I was up, then I was down, up, then I was down, lots of waste. And then I went to a stand-up desk, so let's go take a look at what that looked like. Welcome to my next office. Beautiful office, all stand-up. Even the conference table right here is stand-up. We used to have big cushy leather chairs. They all went away. Now we stand around a conference table and guess what? The meetings don't last very long. How long do your meetings last? We were taking financial meetings that took 6 hours, turned them into 2 hours just because we were standing up. Very easy to get comfortable. Now on this desk, what's different, again, it's stand-up. Quite a bit different than the last desk that you saw. So now every day I just stood up here. It worked out very well. I was able to get a lot of work done. Occasionally I get interrupted. I just turn around and go right back to my work. Very effective, and I liked it a lot. But then I thought to myself, look at all this room. Look at how much room this whole office takes up. What do I need all this room for? It's just a great place to collect things, including my guitars, because I like to play. Let's go to my next office and you'll see what that looks like. Welcome to my next office. Very small, very compact, not nearly as opulent as the other ones, not that the other ones were that opulent, but this is much different. Now we took a rack from Costco, we took a metal rack here, we put a particle board top, we painted it. I have my printer right here, very fast, very easy to access. I have the monitor on top. As you can see, I'm standing up, I'm not hunching over. I have a microphone right here that I do a lot of recording on that works very nicely, and it's quite effective. But still, why do I need all this space? I can't quite figure it out. Now, the way this all came about is I have a friend who runs a much bigger company than me that has a much smaller desk than me. And we're kind of having a contest to see who's got the smallest desk. So finally, I went to what Jeff has, and Jeff made me one of his desks, and now let's go take a look at that. Here's my office. You say, what? Yeah, I'm on the shop floor. My friend Jeff Koss has a company much larger than mine. He has a factory floor where he has 30 of his executives actually on the shop floor on stand-up desks. So I said, if it's good enough for Jeff, it's probably good enough for me. And they're a very lean company. So this is my desk right here, right in the middle of the shop floor. You would never expect it. When I walk in the morning, I just take my laptop out. And guess what? If I want to be in a different part of the factory, we'll just roll over to a different part of the factory and I'll work with whoever I want, whenever I want. Watch that cart. And now I'm over in the packaging area. And if packaging is having a problem or I want to see how things are going, I can just roll it right over here. The cool thing about this desk is I've got a plug-in on the back side. I can plug it in when my laptop gets low. I've got a power strip right here that's very easy to plug all my accessories in if I need to. But of course you would expect nothing less. I have a lean briefcase. When I come in the morning, I just need to plug that in. All my accessories are being charged right here. My laptop simply goes right back in here. How fast could that be? And I'm off to my next appointment. Let's go. That's lean.